Hello everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So at the minute, I'm actually short on XRP off that level of resistance. Prime XBT, which is an amazing exchange, they've got an amazing offer for the CoinsKid community. Okay, if you join up and you use the code CoinsKid, you're going to get a 7k bonus with that exchange, which is amazing. And that's what I've used to short XRP. Okay, so I'm in a massive profit at the moment on that short off that level of resistance I've shown you in previous video. But at the minute, you know, regardless of XRP going up or down, we can ride the waves. We can make money in all this chop. Okay, riding the waves into resistance and support, you can make money, but always apply stop loss. Like I've said to you, don't over leverage. Don't be a degen, don't go in with your life savings, and learn to ride the waves. You can always make money in this space riding these waves into resistance and support. Okay, don't overcomplicate it. Regardless of XRP going to $6, $18 or whatever, you know, or 2 cents or whatever, there's opportunity to make money on the downside and up, and this is what I show you on the channel. Okay, so I was long off that support the other day, rode it into the resistance, took profit, and I've actually gone short on Prime XBT with that amazing sign-up bonus right now, and I'm in a massive profit at the moment. But I'm not like a lot of these people on YouTube that show you, wow, I'm making millions and things like that. Okay, what I do try and do is just show you the resistance and support where you can make your own mind up and you can execute these trades as and when you wish, you know, with that information. But remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Okay, so in the moment, doing okay off that short. Okay, and this is what you do. It doesn't make me a perma bear or anything like that. It's just riding the waves and trading the ranges basically, which is something I teach on the channel on a daily basis. Okay, so XRP is currently still in the top 10. It's holding strong. It's not lost the top 10 yet. I think it's been in the top 10 for over 4 years, regardless of the thing that's going on with it. So I know a lot of people, you know, they jump up and down and say this is a shit coin. Personally, I don't think it is. I've gone through this with you many times before. I think that, you know, if we get the green light of the SEC as well, XRP, you know, and the XRP army is in for a very good time here. But one thing I'm trying to do in all this chop is find the bottom for you, because I think if we can find the bottom and pinpoint it exactly, you know, wow, we could be in for an amazing time here, and we could have bought the absolute rock bottom. There is a possibility, you know, I'm not going to say the bottom's not in or it is in. There is a possibility it was in June, but going forward I need to see things in the charts, and I keep reminding you every day of those things. Primarily staying above a weekly 20 EMA as support. Currently we're still closing below that, which is bearish. We don't want to be down there. We want to be holding it as support. Currently we're not, so that's a big tick to potentially we've got another impulsive move down in the market here for XRP. But enough spiel, let's dive into the charts and see what we see. Okay, looking at XRP on the 4 hourly time frame, currently I'm in a short on Prime XBT, beautiful little short off this resistance. On Bybit I went long just there into that resistance, paid myself, and then jumped into a short on Prime XBT. Right now we're turning, currently we're looking to turn this leg of support into resistance, okay, which is a descending triangle, a potential triple top pattern like this. Like I said to you, you know, ride the waves just there. So this was a beautiful little long into resistance, around about 6%, and then boom, we're in a nice little short right now. And you know, this is what we do. We try and identify the waves and make money in this space, okay, long and short. So at the moment, off this leg here, which is where I open my short with my stop loss on that swing high just there, boom, we're currently down roughly 4.49%, beautiful little bit profit there. But I'm looking to close this all the way down here for around about 13% short opportunity at 03424. Now why that level? Well, just here I think that what we've got is a potential descending triangle triple top pattern like this. Again, it will be invalidated if we do start to come up, like I said to you, take out that high, and break that high. We're negating this bearish pattern that I'm looking at the moment for XRP. So I think, you know, potentially what I'm looking to do, right, is close my short at that point just there, and then open a long just there. Okay, and I'm going to go through this with you, because I think that if we are breaking down here for XRP, there is equally a bullish scenario that's happening here as well as a bearish one. Okay, so this is why I do try and ride the waves and find support and resistance for you and make money in all this chop, whatever it is. Okay, so just there I will be looking to close my short on Prime XBT, and I will be looking to go long on Prime XBT just there at 03424 and ride this thing back up into resistance of this potential leg of resistance just there. Okay, so again, you know, what I'm looking for is to ride the short down, close the short, open along up into this leg of resistance. Now why there? Well, you can clearly see this descending triangle here. If you break down and turn this into resistance, you've got exactly the same scenario as this. Big descending triangle, broke down, and we turned the previous support just there into resistance. So it's riding the waves, isn't it? So just there, if we do get a level of resistance and then we dump again, potentially losing that low, this could offer an amazing short opportunity at that point. Okay, so it is big ifs obviously, but what I try and do is try and find the opportunities here, riding the waves long or short, you know, to make money in the space regardless of where we're going. Okay, so at the moment I think what we're doing is retracement from this high here to this low. Okay, so let's take a look at the retracement levels. So from there to the low, you can clearly see from the 0 fib to the 1 fib. At the moment we came down and we're currently holding the 382. We have got to close below it, so your next target is 0.5 fib at 0.3640, but I think the technical target of the descending triangle and the fibs is the 702 fib. Look at that bit of confluence lining up right there, 0.3438. So I think we're looking for that 0.3424 for XRP, and I think, you know, you can't coming down like this, descending triangle, get a bounce there, start to come up into resistance. This is a key test for XRP down the line. Does it break through this leg of resistance, start to come up? That would be really, really bullish. Or does it get rejected at that point and start to put another impulsive move to the downside, losing the 1 fib, and you can confirm at that point that this is impulsive, corrective, impulsive, and at that point you would be putting another impulsive move to the downside by losing this 1 fib at 0.3161. So, you know, always try and identify the opportunities in all this chop. So at the moment you're caught between the 0 fib and the 1 fib, and you just chop sideways. Okay, and we'll try and identify the waves here. So at the moment, short on Prime XBT all the way down to the 702 fib at 0.3424. If you're not short already, okay, you could actually go short at this point. I do expect a level of resistance. If you do start to come up, I would expect a level of resistance off a 10 EMA at least on the 4 hour, which currently sits at 0.3813. Now you could put some short bids in on that level on Prime XBT, okay, with your stop loss on this high here. Okay, so that high, let me drop that in for you, that currently sits at roughly 0.388. So that would be my stop loss if you're not short already. Short 0.3812, which is a 10 EMA on the 4 hourly time frame, with your stop loss on the 0.3889 on Prime XBT, with a potential short all the way down off a 10 EMA, all the way down of around about 9% short opportunity on Prime XBT. Amazing. At that point, don't be greedy, don't sit in the short. You know, it could follow through, absolutely, but I would expect some kind of support there, a bounce, start to come up into resistance. And at this point here, when this starts to come up into resistance, this is a key test for XRP. Is it bullish or bearish? Because will you get through this, which will be really bullish, or are you going to get rejected and come down and create another impulsive move to the downside, which will be bearish? But at the minute, I'm just trying to find the waves for you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little update. Take care, everyone. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.